Alright guys, if you guys have one of these scissor jacks here, this one comes with the Ford F-150, so a lot of you out there probably have one of these that comes with your vehicle. And if you ever have to change a tire off-road, when you're not on a nice flat smooth surface like cement or pavement or anything, you're probably going to end up doing it on rocks and sand and stuff, and little grains will like to get into these grooves here, which makes it almost impossible to jack up your vehicle. So I just had this issue, and the best way I found to fix this issue is actually just have some sort of wire brush with you, and you can just kind of scrub along the grooves there, and then you'll just have to flip it over and do the other side. But that seemed to work pretty well at getting all the dirt and debris out of there, and especially do it like around the ends here. There's usually some grease there, but especially on the inside, down in there will be a lot of dirt and sand and stuff that likes to collect there. And then so when you're jacking it up, this will be going through that and just picking up more grind. So right when it's going through that bolt there, it's going to be collecting all that sand particles. So make sure to scrub there really well. So yeah, you can see there, that's the stuff I've cleaned so far. And that's the stuff I haven't so far, because that's when you jack it up really high. But I just ended up changing a tire in the middle of the desert here, so I dropped it and it had a lot of sand in it. So it was really hard to jack up and jack down, but luckily I always have a wire brush with me, so I was able to scrub it, and that seemed to work pretty well.